today I'm going to tell you how you can uninstall any software from your PC. Click on Window button at the left corner. Now click on Setting. Now click on Apps. Now search the software or app you want to uninstall. Click on the software and click on Uninstall. Click on it again. Click Yes. Yes. Click on OK. You can see the logo is also disappeared. Now that's how you can uninstall any software from your PC in Windows 10. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.